Good morning, David, Amy, Amira here.
We're home at, okay.
No? Oh, you want me to start over?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, it's David, Amy, Amira here.
We're at Iams Visitor Center.
No.
Not the Visitor Center, Iams Nature Center.
Okay, take 3.
Okay.
Ready? We've come up and over the top of Tharp Trace Trail, and now we're headed back down the other side.
Don't come up the hill too fast, or you might just die out. You get left here at the top. Here we just did some scrambling out of Ross Maury.
No.
Ross, you gotta look again?
Yeah. We're starting over. Ross Marble Quarry. So we're on the little out and back section of Hayworth Hollow that ends by the caves. It's really cool down here and in a area of tons of rocks, and you can see a couple caves. Probably can't see them behind me. So as we come to the end of our recon mission here at Iams Nature Preserve, hope we get to see you out here on June 30th at Iams Nature Preserve for IGNITE SwimRun Knoxville. Should be a great time.